on, okay? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Okay? Now, opposite is under. Under. The book is under the table. The book is under the table. In front of. Okay, now this is one preposition, but it's 3 words. In front of. In front of. The book is in front of the table. The book is in front of the table. Next we have above. Above, okay? The picture is above the table. The picture is above the table. Behind. Behind. The chair is behind the table. The chair is behind the table. Okay, now let me make some more room here, and we'll do some more. Now remember, the preposition goes before the noun. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. Beside. Beside. The chair is beside the table. The chair is beside the table. Now this one is 2 words, next to. These are the same. Beside, next to. Okay, they're the same. The chair is next to the table. The chair is next to the table. Now we have in. In. All right? The pen is in the glass. The pen is in the glass. Between. Okay, this is for 2 things. For 2 things only. Okay? So the lamp is between the chair and the table. The lamp is between the chair and the table. Between 2 things. Okay, that's good for now. Now, let's practice a bit. Now, assistants, I would like you to hold your pen in your right hand. Okay. Now, put it in front of you. Okay. Put it behind you. Okay, it's kind of difficult, but you can do it. Okay. Put it under your book. Under your book. Good. Put it on your book. Put it on your book. Okay, now you can do this at home too. Isabel and Susan, put it between you and Ali. Okay, that works. All right, now put it over your head. All right, put it on your head. Oh, that's beautiful. Put it next to you. Next to you. Put it in front of you. Put it beside you. Okay? All right. Good. All right. You have prepositions. Okay. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
The pen is on the book. The pen is in the book. The pen is under the book. The pen is between the book and the lamp. The pen is above my head.
Read and repeat.
All right, now let's look at vocabulary for furniture for the house. Okay, so furniture. All right, okay. Now, furniture is the word for the group. Okay, no S, never, no S. Okay, now each piece has its own name, and we'll start with the bedroom. Okay, now there is a bed in the bedroom. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a table beside the bed, and on the table there is a lamp. There is a table beside the bed, and on the table there is a lamp. Okay, there is a carpet. There is a carpet. There is a dresser. There is a chest of drawers. Okay, there is a dresser, there is a chest of drawers. These are the same. These are the same, okay? There is a mirror on the dresser. There is a mirror on the dresser, or there is a mirror on the chest of drawers. Okay? All right. Now let's make some room here, and we'll give you some more vocabulary for furniture. All right, here we go. There is a desk. There is a desk. Next to the desk, there is a lamp. Next to the desk, there is a lamp. There isn't any computer on the desk. There isn't any computer on the desk. Okay, now let's look at the kitchen and see what words we need for the kitchen. Okay. There is a stove in the kitchen. There is a stove in the kitchen. Now, in England, this is a cooker, but in North America, it's a stove. There is a refrigerator, a big word for you, or short fridge, in the kitchen. There is a refrigerator or fridge in the kitchen. There is a table, and there are some chairs. There is a table, and there are some chairs. There isn't any bed in the kitchen. There isn't any bed. Okay? All right. Now, let's look at the living room and see the words for the living room. First, there is a sofa. There is a sofa. There is a carpet in front of the sofa. There is a carpet in front of the sofa. There is a mirror above the sofa. There is a mirror above the sofa. There is a cabinet beside the sofa. There is a cabinet beside the sofa. Also, there is a green armchair. There is a green armchair. Okay? Now, that's the living room. Now let's look at the bathroom. Very important room. Okay, here we go. There is a toilet next to the sink. There is a toilet next to the sink. There is a mirror above the sink. There is a mirror above the sink. There is a light next to the mirror. There is a light next to the mirror. There is a plant on the toilet. There is a plant on the toilet. Very nice. And then finally, there is a bathtub. There is a bathtub. And there is a man in the bathtub. There is a man in the bathtub. Okay? Now, let's see what's in your house. Ollie, is there a sofa in your living room?
Yes, there is.
What color is it?
It is green.
Is there an armchair?
Yes, there are 2 armchairs. They are green too.
All right. Susan, is there a bed in your room?
Yes, there is.
Is there a desk in your room?
Yes, there is.
And what is on the desk?
There is a lamp and a computer.
All right. Isabel, is there a stove in your kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Is there a table?
Yes, there is.
Is there a computer?
No, there isn't.
All right, thank you very much. All right, now we're going to look at a picture and describe the picture. So let me take this away and I can write the sentences on the board and you can also see them on the screen. All right, here we go. Now, here's a beautiful picture. The man is sitting on the chair. The man is sitting on the chair. Okay? He is sitting in front of the television. He is sitting in front of the television. The glass is in his hand and it is on the table. The glass is in his hand and it is on the table. The slippers are on his feet. The slippers are on his feet. The table is next to the chair. The table is next to the chair. The wall is behind the chair. The wall is behind the chair. The chair is in front of the wall. Okay, these are opposite. The chair is in front of the wall. And the table is between the window and the chair. The table is between the window and the chair. Okay, now we're going to look at another picture and I'm going to ask some questions about it. So here are the questions coming up and then we can see. So you answer the questions at home. So where is the It is the Okay? Where is the It is the So here is the preposition and here is the noun. Okay? Now, here we go. And we'll start with Ali. Ali, where is the lamp?
The lamp is beside the chair.
Yes, the lamp is beside the chair. Isabel, where is the ottoman?
The ottoman is in front of the chair.
Yes, the ottoman is in front of the chair. Susan, where is the carpet?
The carpet is under the chair and the ottoman.
Okay, the carpet is under the chair and the ottoman. Ali, ask Susan a question about this picture.
Susan, where is the book?
The book is on the ottoman.
Yes, the book is on the ottoman. Isabel, ask Ali.
Ali, where are the pictures?
The pictures are on the wall.
The pictures are on the wall. Susan, ask Isabel.
Isabel, where is the chair?
The chair is in front of the wall.
Yes, the chair is in front of the wall. Very good, thank you. All right, now it's time to look and listen.